I do it, and we are do it, we make everybody see it. Anywhere me go, can I say me look neat?
Yeah man guys, Oliver Lifestyle. You don't know, we now forget the channel, you know, because the channel is there now. You can still watch out some content over there guys. Because you don't know a thing, you know, and that's good content to put over there. Even though sometimes we have to war more time over there because you don't know a certain thing set, you see me? Yeah man. You don't know the next channel, Oliver Unfiltered, JA. You guys know I hit my work van to push it. You know what I mean? Because you don't know enough. A certain thing set. You have to have a backup channel guys. Anybody who is a content creator, it's good to have a backup channel. Yo General. Yeah man. Look for my friend Black Machine. From our day want to sell meat, you know guys. You might want to sell meat, but I'm not interested in that. You see? I look for a bridging right now over a goat farm. Yeah man. Nice goat farm, you know. My friend them have, you know. I'm out to deal with progressive movement, is it? Coconut tree, they're loaded. Well, if I dry coconut up the tree, you know. Yeah man guys. Whole heap of property. A lot of ackee trees. You know, so this is the old jackfruit man. Of course. And we have apple tree over here. And one thing, you know guys, is if we place fruitful. You see it? Some nice apple there guys. Right now we want one. Yeah. Cause there you go. Guys, this is a little sunbed, you know. Anyways, water run a certain way, produce sands. Place is fruitful and cool. So another apple tree here again guys. You don't know what's going on. Oliver Unfiltered, you know. Guys, we have a selfie stick and I broke up. One piece of that tree, yeah. This is called the sauce tree. This is grapefruit tree, guys. And there's a lime tree over there. You see sauce tree now, guys. It's a good medicine. You see, if you can get the skin from the tree to boil, you can control the blood pressure, can control your nerves. It works for people who don't get much rest. You know? When I don't get much rest, you know, you know. Or when your body need rest because you see your hand them start to shake more time, you know. Your nerves. Now you got a few pine trees here and there. That's a cherry tree, hockey tree. The intention was to come here to do a vlog, you know, guys. Come to collect something and move again. But once I come over here, I have to do a vlog. That's how I go. This goat farm controlled by some brethren of mine. Yeah, man. I see man, one video where a man just run out of a car and grab the people and go up by them throat and drive to their car. Man, them cruelly, man. Those are some nice pigeon, you know. Yeah, man. Wow. And yes, guys, all of my brethren go at them tag. Brethren tag them ears. If you look good, you see it. Yeah, man. Me that tell me look like the goat a sick. Oh, the 1 foot one this. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I remember him hurt himself. Spice, what go on? Everything nice? Elder, what go on? Yeah, man. Anytime you don't know him, time I forward on the block, you know. I have to video something, you know. Yeah. Killing season. Oh, kidding. Oh, kid. I go to mix with sheep. No. Yeah, I know it's a sheep. But I mix. You can see it, man. Yeah, man. Cover down. You see the tag, guys. Yeah, man. At one point, you know, guys, me always tell my brother, say, yo, put track up on the animal limb, because you don't know so you go. I don't know if you do it, because it's been a while, I don't see him. Yeah, man, Spice, I don't see man drive up in a car side of goat and haul in goat like a smaddy man haul in a car. You never see it? What you mean? You can't tell something, you know. A man will take where you goat, you know, with the tracker, you know. See? And all when him analyze the goat, you know, and cut up all the meat, you know, the tracker did there, you know. And he not fine, you know, him no set did there, you know.
You don't know how them tracker there in bloodstream.
The tracker go there in a man, can go down near me. Guys, you know, I'm going to visit the goat pen, and this is definitely an official goat pen, guys. Nowadays, you know, you have to take care of your goat them, because more times some people raise goat and goat tend to sleep into them own mess. So right now you look there, a lot of manure, and you know, goat manure is very powerful, along with like the cow dung. You know, the cow feast, we then call cow dung. You don't know, you know what I mean? It's a very powerful thing, and you have to know, just like the chicken manure, the mess itself is very powerful, and you have to keep your chicken coop clean at all times, because the chicken mess have a gas that triggers off at a certain time. The gas is a very powerful thing where come from the chicken mess. We burn up the chicken and foot and all them things there, see it? And guys, this is the ram with the goat them come up on. And from the time when I know this pen was been constructed, you know, them get used to it and know, sir, yes, sir, them home. Yeah, man, nice, man. We look like we never hold it more than the other day. Hmm?
Yes, just little young one get big now.
Yeah. Oh, maybe I that.
Born, service boy, you know.
You know, some my brethren are pressure me for coming in our business. Nice goat. You want to come bite me up or you want to feed her for me? Giant, you know, guys. Good breed of goat, this, you know. The goat a breed off most I see them in there, you know. Not true, Spice. The goat, the ram. They breed off most I see them.
Right now.
Yeah, man. You mean a bad boy?
Right now.
Thanks.
Right now, I just show I'm a beard this me no want to give.
Yeah.
On the buckle.
You will just turn the back like mouth and
just...
just...
And he just turn you up someone.
Powerful goat, man.
2, 3 times go so we get it done, you know?
That's him. He behave like he know me.
But a boy with buck you do, you know? Yeah, man, a buck.
Yeah, man.
Right now in buck. So him turn, you see me?
Can't him.
Can't hear.
Ring to you know. And what day me I tell a lady, you know. Me I tell a lady about the ram goat and I say, oh, you have man when the man prepare manish water and them thing there. The goat beard. Cut round the goat beard and wash it off and throw in a pot. And give the soup a different type of taste. The woman said, yeah, the lady said, yee.
I put in skin in it though.
Because skin powerful too, you know.
Yeah, because piss pan in skin too,
You know that I tell you, listen, him have a way for pee on him beard. That a Miss Pauline, yard and a brother. Yard to a brother. Yard and a brother. Something like that. But anyway, Miss Pauline, big up yourself. Can you ever see that video? Yeah, man, the goat them have a way, man, the ram goat them just unk up themselves and shot the urine pan the beard them, man. Goat pen still active, man. I love how you have it, you know?
Yeah, you have a creek inside, you know?
Yeah, man. Go some, man.
Inside the same way, little one.
So how much that kid, how much I go to drop?
One.
Oh.
Him knows a young mother, she just dropped to make you get used to her kid.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Just like that one, she gets used to the kid.
Okay, I understand.
Right, so when they get used to them kid and I feed them kid no want to see to know side to let you know it over there. So them come, make a sound and the kid then go through them part then go creep through. And go him alone can't come in here. So they lock off in us and put down feet and them alone can't come.
Okay.
Look, so when they just gone through, gone feed the mother ducks. The next one I go there.
Yeah.
So them place then creep or then go through.
Why? The idea there, we are tell me about right now is really.
It's there you never we see.
Yeah, for real.
There, you understand? But that's why we use the feed. You understand?
Mm.
Right. I'm let out that boat and can't come in and
A very unique idea though.
Right.
Trust me, I'm never aware of that.
So when the pen irritable and pee running up and down and them thing there, then come in here so the body safe in here so as a little goat and look out this.
Yeah, man, that's
get mad. So then they can feel
safety.
Safe.
For safe, yeah, man, understand.
Right.
Mm.
Struggling too much about the film.
Yeah, too rough.
Yeah.
After I run to save in heaven, you know?
Most of them kids are now after 2 weeks, 2 couple days, but right back up. They have to be in a job.
Okay.
3 days, 2 days, 4 days, 1 week.
Spice, you did subscribe to your channel, though?
Yeah, I mean, man.
Because you don't know what now, the other channel, I kind of put it aside and kind of want to energy catch me on it and you don't know a thing, I just don't even bother each, I just build back a different channel, you see me? So you don't know, I'm going to make you get the link there, you see me?
You all have to do is send me on the face, on the WhatsApp there.
Yeah man, I'm going to do it man, no job.
Bang, 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 you know.
You see me? So we are dealing with it the same way, you see me? Until we're ready for the other one, but we are build that one now. I don't know if I'm going to really catch up to it because you don't know 15K I'm going on a video on the channel there. So you don't know.
The other one have more K.
Yeah man, 15 man. Yeah man.
15K.
But bad energy have a way for approach in a life, you know. I saw you going on, but sometimes you have a thing say 7 times right, 7 times fall. You know? You fall and you come back again and you come back strong and powerful and there's no side that because we not make nothing get we done in a general. No time at all, you know. We got through too much to make some little simple things, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
Get entangled with life. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. One tea big dog we need have here. One that is a trouble goat them.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
No joke about that, my G, man. Yes, guys. And this one is a Yobian. The type of goat. You notice him ears? Or it just hang down? Yeah, man. Yobian the one there. And the monster here so is a boar. You see it? Friendly too, you know. Very friendly. Love the goat pen, you know. A lot of guys, a lot of people, you know, build them goat pen like this, you know, while some people don't build it like this, you know. And I think yesterday I was talking to a friend of mine who been doing goat farm too. I'm telling him about it, but you know, trust me, this is the new and official way to really raise goat, because as time goes by, you have all sort of different type of diseases just appear, you know, and you know, it is best to really treat the animal as though you'd want to treat yourself, you know. Trust me. And guys, you have a thing called people call them chichi, what we call termite. Termite will not affect the flooring. Maybe then we go elsewhere, but not the flooring, because the urine from the goat is a form of chemical where, you know, that keeps the board firm and strong. It's, look at this. You see the urine on the ground, guys? Yeah, man. Them thing there, it cure the board. It cure the flooring. So from the floor cure with the goat urine, no termite will come across and try to approach those or approach the flooring. And if you notice the guys, the goat them or them tag them, and you know, trust me. One thing with my brethren them, you know, man them progressive and them ever do them thing, you know. But as I say, I have a brethren in Kingston all the time about Oliver. You know, can I have a piece of place, you know, where I have a brethren who take care of some goat for me, you know, want run in a man and come in and I think about it. Because it's something you can't lose off of this, you know. But sometimes when you have people, you prepare your things. Depends upon, you know, people you never, you know, might visit them and not think of them no way. You never know if they're going to break your foot and all them things there. But one thing a boss tell me before, say, Oliver, any business you're going to, expect losses, but expect to gain, yeah? Because if you have workers around you, they will want to take something where you don't know, but just accept it, you know, until you catch up on them. And we just laugh. But I understand still when the person say to me, you know. You know. No joke about that, my G. No, guys. Guys, and remember them thing, yeah? Them plum, yeah? We used to call them coolie plum. Some people call them Chinese plum. Pigeon are something what I love, you know, guys. Yes, I'm gonna let out the goat them now, guys. But anyway, I'm leaving now. You know, so stay tuned, guys. Yeah, man. Remember my soursop leaf them, you know, we need them because I've been doing long hours since I become a content creator on YouTube. You have to keep your eyes them up think about the things them that you're gonna give your audience, you know, to watch, you know. And you know a certain thing set. Because we can't just love ourselves alone, you know. We have to love the audience, them, the people them who concerned about us, who love us, you know. Just pick this. Yeah, man. Certain go, guys, man. As we said, the bark is more powerful than the leaf, you know, guys. But if you constantly drinking this kind of herb, because bush is herbs, and if you constantly drink it, you know, for a week or two straight, or even a month, good. It's best all without sugar. It is super great, super awesome, and nice to know you take care of yourself. You know, most country people used to bush tea and them live very long. Nowadays them might not to live long again because it all based upon the type of meal where we are eating nowadays. You see me I say, guys, the type of meal we provide for we buy, and how them leaf look so. Like how them leaf look so. I have to go pick off them now. Guys, I don't know. I want Oliver, you know. Unfiltered. JA. Do it, I do it to make everybody see it. Yes, guys, we're there on Mandela Highway right now. Heading into, you know, Kingston, as usual. And you don't know, a 2 channel, you know, guys. Go by Oliver Lifestyle JA. Oliver Unfiltered JA, same way. So you don't know, you know, help push the channel, guys, and build the channel. And you don't know work where I work. For make everybody see where we are going with, you know. Yeah, man. Notice how the 2 side of the road them clean up, guys. Yeah, man, I saw them do it out here, you know, when it near to Christmas. It shouldn't really go that way, you know, guys. Trust me. Them should have been doing this. I try to do this even every 2 months, you know. Every 2 months, them cut the grass, them and all them things about. And that's why I always say, no, guys, whether you don't want to like it or like it not, you know, there will be no other Prime Minister like Edward Seaga, because when Edward Seaga run off a thing, he make sure them things are going straight through here, guys. See? Yeah, man don't wait for no Christmas to make nothing happen. So you can imagine when Christmas come, he make people nice the same way. And we know that. And we're not going to join up politics in this, you see it? But I know me know. So anybody who are old school, who know what me talk, can join in and know say yes, I true. Yeah, man, when them man in a power, guys, man, them place Mandela Highway clean up, ever clean up. Well, always together and, you know, groomed. You see me? But as time goes by, you know, say the road change up and we get a better road, better highway, and you know, them cut out a lot of trees out by this side, what we call ferry, and the ferry police station is over by my left hand side, passing it right now, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. And guys, you know, we have a new gas station over by my right side, goes by the name of Fesco. Yeah. Oh no, you know. try to give you a little drive out. Because I have to build a channel there quick and fast, you know, guys. It doesn't matter, you know, quick and fast. And I know I have my supporters them, and I know my supporters them love me. You don't know me have supporters where might not like everything we say and how me say it, but you don't know, guys, we mean no one no harm, and you know, you guys have to get accustomed to, you know, constructive criticism. Sometimes some people come over with some constructive criticism. You know deep down that is not constructive, because if you can learn something from something that is constructive, you know. If we can't learn nothing from it or from what you're saying, that means deliberately making it a point of your duty to, you know, criticize. But once I can learn from it, you have my heart. Trust me. And you know, guys, remember that earlier, you know, guys, where a little bridge, you know, we used to call it Crimo Corner or Crimo Bridge. And you know them call out as Alex Auto Parts, which is, yes, of course, Alex specializes in, you know, vehicle parts and accessories. And we are heading towards Riverton now, guys. Riverton, you know how the place stand. And we know say this is the old Spanish Town Road, because the reason why if you say it, because the road was like this from a long time. Them all they do to this road is pitchy patch it up, and as time goes by and the road get older without any form of repair, you know, the heat from the sun make the road start to get bumpy, because the tar have this tendency to have bumps, you know, swell like, you know what I mean? So it give a vehicle a kind of up and down ride, you know, and make my camera shake like you want to drop off. Yeah, man, big up to all my viewers and subscribers. Big up to Laurie. It's me, Laurie. Guys, you know, can go over to her. She have a nice channel over there where she tell you about, especially for the ladies them, where she tell you and explain about all the ear products them, you know, that she use in her ear, and you know, she give advice, you know, how it works and how to use it and etc. You know, when you can go over to her, let her know I send you over there. And guys, it doesn't matter, even though the channel is a very young channel, I will still do shout out Fridays where I find the young content creators them and endorse their channel same way, because whatever we start, whatever I start, I just want to continue it. And I must say whatever we start, because it is not based upon for me only, but it is based upon for my loving viewers and subscribers who will, you know, take the time out to visit he, she, and the old lady. I don't want to go over this light, you know. I don't want to go over it at all. Yeah, man, guys. Out of Riverton, guys, I don't know a certain set. Yeah, man, Riverton, you know. Yeah, man, Riverton itself, man. side. Now guys, I'm approaching 3 Mile. And back in the days guys, 3 Mile was a roundabout before it ended up become Portia Simpson Square. And you know that Portia Simpson Square is gonna be here forever and ever and ever. As long as them not change the name. Yeah man, Portia Simpson Square. I know how to say have the youth them clean the car glass. Yeah. Right in a summer go guys. Right in a so. You hear that charger? Yes, guys, I don't know. In our business place, you know. I wear brown chick there. Hi. Hello. Yes guys, I'm in a superstore. Yeah, superstore out by White Mall Central Village, you know. You don't know. But I walk and shop around. We are eye shop too, you know. You can video, not sure. Alright. That's my people, you know what I mean? To all my lovely viewers and subscribers. Yeah man, super ace man, you see it? You know? Out by White Mall guys, you can check out here. I'm selling all kind of stuff, garden stuff, you know what I mean? Hose, you know? Trust me. I'm gonna come back out here, I think anytime this week, and I'll go 100 with you guys and show you around and all them nice stuff, you know what I mean? What I'm looking for is a rod. Oh, see them here? See, I have your shovels them guys. Yeah man, nice place to shop guys, nice place to come and shop. so cute, eh? Look at it. And guys, here is where sell the vegetable seeds them. You know, you pump to I think me have one of them and I'm gonna pull it in, guys. Trust me, I go see it. Yeah man, me buy one but not from here. I buy it in Kingston, guys. And outside here, guys, you have the flower spots. You know, all time nice, pretty, beautiful flowers around. Nice fishing rods, them guys. Yeah man. I come buy one. Maybe I'm gonna buy one here. I'm gonna buy it elsewhere, but I need one of them. Look at them, guys. Yeah man, cause I don't know, guys, I want to give you guys some fishing adventure. You can see them. Whole lot of them. Beautiful, though. Pretty. One thing, you know, guys. So when you come in them places, your money have to your money have to up here. We not go around it and we not hide it. The money have to up. But you get good qualities, you know what I mean? Yeah man, guys. I love them. Them rather look nice. Them look strong too. No guys, it's been a while I haven't visited this store anyway, you know what I mean? Yeah man. Some nice stuff in here, is it? If you have your money though, money have enough. But we like the shop where qualities. Is it? Qualities. Yeah man.
Why? If you want, they're nice.
True. Guys, I just meet one of my subscribers. Met me out so quick. Yeah. Yeah man, take care, mommy. Yeah. God is love every time, you know. I do it to make everybody see it, to get me. No joke about it, is it? Yeah.